Welcome to Sometime 4. Today we're working with page 29 and today's lesson is called Ratios 2 and we're going to talk about equal ratios. We use equal ratios to make comparisons. To find an equal ratio, you must either multiply or divide each term in the ratio by the same number. For example, if we divide both terms in the ratio 6:9 by the number 3, then we get the equal ratio 2:3, like this. 6/9. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So 6/9 is the same as 2/3. We can say 6:9 as 2:3. Or we can write 6:9 equals 2:3. Get it? Proportion is a name we use to show that two ratios are equal. We can write it in two ways. As two equal fractions, like this. A over B equals C over D. Or, using a colon, we write it like this. A colon B equals C colon D. When two ratios are equal, the cross products of the ratios are also equal. Look at this. A over B equals C over D. Now we'll work with cross products. That means we'll multiply. So A multiplied by D is the same as B multiplied by C. And we write it like this. A over B equals C over D. So A times D equals B times C. We use cross products to test whether two ratios are equal and form a proportion. When we use a colon like this, A colon B equals C colon D, we multiply the outer terms, called the extremes, that's A and D, and then the middle terms, B and C, called the means. Let's look at an example. 40 colon 160 equals 2 colon 8. That's the same, of course, as 40 over 160 equals 2 over 8. Let's look at the extremes. 40 and 8 are the extremes, so we multiply them. 40 times 8 equals 320. 160 and 2 are the means, so we multiply them. 160 times 2 equals 320. Since the cross products are both equal to 320, we know that these ratios are equal and that this is a true proportion. That's all for today. See you again soon.